How to save money, earn interest, and avoid fees with banking basics. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, where I share tips and tricks on how to manage your money wisely. In today's video, I'm going to explain the basics of banking, such as how to choose a bank and open a bank account, what are the different types of bank accounts and services, and how to use online banking and mobile banking apps. If you want to learn more about these topics, make sure to watch this video till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. How to choose a bank and open a bank account. Choosing a bank is an important decision because it affects how you access and use your money. There are many factors to consider when choosing a bank, such as the location and availability of branches and ATMs, the fees and charges for various transactions and services, the interest rates and rewards for saving and borrowing, the customer service and security features, the online and mobile banking options and features. You should compare different banks and see which one offers the best value and convenience for your needs. You can use online tools and websites to compare banks, such as NerdWallet or Bankrate. Once you choose a bank, you need to open a bank account. A bank account is a secure place where you can store your money and access it when you need it. To open a bank account, you need to provide some personal information, such as your name, address, phone number, email, and social security number. You also need to show one or two forms of identification, such as your driver's license, passport, or birth certificate. Some banks may also require a minimum deposit to open an account, while others may not. What are the different types of bank accounts and services? There are two main types of bank accounts, checking and savings. A checking account is where you keep the money that you use for everyday spending, such as paying bills, buying groceries, or shopping online. A savings account is where you keep the money that you want to save for the future, such as for emergencies, goals, or investments. Both types of accounts offer different benefits and features, such as checking accounts usually have a debit card, which you can use to withdraw cash from ATMs or make purchases at stores. Some checking accounts also offer checks, which you can use to pay bills or other people. Checking accounts may charge fees for certain transactions, such as overdrafts, monthly maintenance, or ATM withdrawals. However, some checking accounts may waive these fees if you meet certain requirements, such as maintaining a minimum balance, using direct deposit, or linking your account to a savings account. Savings accounts usually have a higher interest rate than checking accounts, which means you can earn money on your money. Some savings accounts also offer rewards, such as cashback, points, or bonuses. Savings accounts may have limits on how many times you can withdraw or transfer money per month, and they may charge fees if you exceed these limits. However, some savings accounts may waive these fees if you meet certain requirements, such as maintaining a minimum balance, using direct deposit, or linking your account to a checking account. There are also other types of bank accounts and services that you may want to consider, such as money market accounts, which are similar to savings accounts, but usually have a higher interest rate and a higher minimum balance requirement. They also offer more access to your money, such as checks and debit cards. Certificates of deposit CDs, which are accounts where you agree to keep your money for a fixed period of time, such as 6 months, 1 year, or 5 years. In return, you get a higher interest rate than savings accounts, but you also pay a penalty if you withdraw your money before the maturity date. Credit cards, which are cards that allow you to borrow money from the bank and pay it back later, with interest. Credit cards can help you build your credit score, which can affect your ability to get loans, mortgages, or other financial products. Credit cards also offer benefits such as rewards, cashback, or discounts. However, credit cards also have risks such as fees, interest charges, and debt. You should only use credit cards if you can pay your balance in full every month and avoid spending more than you can afford. Loans, which are money that you borrow from the bank and pay back over time, with interest. Loans can help you finance large purchases, such as a car, a house, or a college education. Loans also have different types, such as personal loans, auto loans, student loans, or mortgages. Loans have different terms and conditions, such as the amount, the interest rate, the duration, and the repayment schedule. You should only take out loans if you have a good credit score, a stable income, and a realistic budget. How to use online banking and mobile banking apps. Online banking and mobile banking apps are convenient ways to manage your money without visiting a branch or an ATM. You can use online banking and mobile banking apps to Check your account balance and transaction history. Transfer money between your accounts or to other people. Pay your bills or send money to friends and family. Deposit checks by taking a picture with your phone. Apply for credit cards, loans, or other products. Set up alerts and notifications for your account activity. Contact customer service or report a problem. To use online banking and mobile banking apps, you need to register and create a username and password. You also need to have a secure internet connection and a device, such as a computer, a tablet, or a smartphone. You should also protect your account information and device from hackers, scammers, or thieves by using strong passwords and changing them regularly. Using biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or face recognition. Using encryption and antivirus software. Logging out of your account when you are done. Avoiding public or unsecured Wi-Fi networks. Avoiding phishing emails or suspicious links. Reporting any suspicious or unauthorized activity on your account. That's it for today's video on banking basics. I hope you learned something new and useful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I would love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!